Hello everyone, my name is Preethesh and I am from first year ECE branch. My startup company is Mangalore Gramina Product MGP. Product present name is Eraser. Product proposed name is Mystic Mender. Empathizing state. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. It helps us by erasing our mistakes allows us to start fresh. It should be a larger in size and it should be smooth. Define stage. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name Eraser. Futuristic product name is Mystic Mender. Ideate stage. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one not dust, second one cheaper, third one long time, fourth one grip and comfort. Prototype stage. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to the time constraint. The mentor advised to draw a sketch. The draw is given in the below. Testing stage. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.